Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Kerry. You're watching Off Grid 406. Thanks for joining me. And today I would like to go over some alternative ways of heating your house, some heaters, if you will, some small space heaters that we have. Okay, and I'm just going to go through them in kind of not necessarily in any particular order. So anyways, let's get right down to it. So here's the first one. So this is actually a very clever design. He's actually burning, I believe, regular gasoline in this one. And the way this works is he's got this thing. He has this thing carefully engineered where he's able to use a nozzle of a specific size to blow it up through the tubes that actually wind up heating the fuel itself, creating a little pressure and a vaporization effect, and creating quite a clean flame. And of course, you'd have to put this type of a flame in some kind of a heat exchanger, some kind of have an exhaust system for it, obviously, because of noxious fumes. But very clever and very useful in possibly being used to heat a space or even your house if it was a scaled up version of this. And this video comes to us from Tech Workshop, so go over there. I'll have the link in the description below. You can watch his video and make sure to show him some love, give him a thumbs up. He's got a lot of cool stuff on his channel. You might want to check his channel out. So this guy uses the exact same concept, but he's actually burning vegetable oil here, and he doesn't look like he has it as refined as the guy previous. He's actually feeding it with a little syringe here. So what might help is a little pressure tank or something similar to what the other guy had. But the basic concept is there. He's got the air, the tubes which actually help heat and vaporize the fuel, which seems to be working fairly good here. So, but again, you would have to kind of probably vent this type of burning action, or you might have a lot of soot on your ceiling. I don't know how clean veggie oil burns. I guess it can burn pretty clean under the right conditions, but I would also think that it would be creating some noxious fumes. But so this video came to us from Shane Smith. Okay, check his channel out. I'll put the link to the video in the description below. Make sure and give him a thumbs up as well. So here was one of my favorite, and this is actually a waste oil burner. There's a lot of iterations online for these very burners, and they seem to be very effective, and they can use ordinary used motor oil or any type of veggie oil that you can get from a restaurant or something like that. And I really love these ideas because the fuel is basically free, and hey, free is a winner for me. What's the point if you're going to pay a high cost for fuel? But this one here, there's a lot of designs online. I've thought for years about maybe making one of these, and I even saw a simple design where a guy just used nothing but a standard cook pot. And this video came to us from Pennderosa Farms. Check out his link in the description below. Show him some love as well. I see these small content makers, and it just I like for these people to be noticed, especially when they work so hard on their channel, and I certainly, of all people, know what that's like. All right, here's something a little different. This is more of like perhaps even a candle. It's and those tubes are hollow, and they have a wick actually inside of them that draws the fuel up into the burn area, and then of course the copper heats up and allows it to vaporize very effectively and makes it quite a useful burner. But again, with denatured alcohol at the cost, it's like $12 a quart. It's a little hard to justify heating your house with something that is such an expensive fuel as compared to, like, let's say, regular diesel fuel or gasoline or even propane. But you can check out this video on simplified gardening. The link again is in the description below. So here's one of my all-time favorite versions of this type of burner. He's actually made this extremely simple. He doesn't even use the standard coil like he's showing you there. He's just taking it straight up with a couple little pipes and a little bit of wool. And he actually then takes it up a notch by putting a mantle over the top that he's easily made out of a little bit of screen, and as he's showing you here, and it creates what looks to me like a very effective way to produce a lot of heat. But again, he's using alcohol here. Now, alcohol is safe to burn inside the house without a ventilation system, but it does cost a lot of money. So for me, this great idea, but it's just not like the most cost-effective way to heat your house. Robert Murray Smith is the creator of this video. Be sure and check the rest of his videos out as well. He's got a lot of really cool ideas on how to make these little heaters and stuff, and much more. So go to his channel and check it out. And of course, here we have the actual original design from World War II. These must have been pretty popular. But anyways, they're basically just, you know, as you can see, just a simple little coil with a wick down inside of there. You fill them full of alcohol, fuel, and Bob's your uncle. So now that we looked over a few of these heaters, what do you guys think? What would be your preferred method of one of these alternative sources of heat? I would sure like to hear what you guys think in the comments below, and maybe you guys even have something that you could suggest to me that maybe I look into and that I could show or even consider constructing myself, because I'm still into the research stage at this point. So I'm looking for anything I can find out there that'll work and be very effective in doing just that. So thanks again for watching, guys. We'll see you on the next video. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, share these videos. I need all the love and support from you guys that I can get. And you know, my channel is starting to grow, and I'm getting excited, and I hope you guys are liking these videos. So with that, I'll see you guys on the next video. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.